to go to town. So I have got my laptop. Very happy about it. I'm very excited to be unboxing this. Like, I'm super excited. So I already opened it from the shop because I wanted them to put for me Word, Excel, everything for my work. So now this is my second opening by myself. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. Let me move it here. So here is the laptop. This is the box. It comes with a charger. This is the charger. And then this is the laptop itself. I'm not big on tech, but I love how slim it is. Like, it's really slim. It's pretty heavy for a slim thing. And then I love that the Lenovo thing is right here. I love that. And then this is how it looks when you open it up. I'm very excited, and I love the smell of new things. So super happy about this one. And then this one is the one that you can drag, like, to turn off like the camera and stuff. So I'm very same day. So I am doing some work. Back to work. I'm doing some work, of which I'm now waiting for passwords and what, so now it should be easier for me to actually log in at any time that I want. And because it's mine, I'm just gonna leave the passwords on remember me and stuff, so I have to like do all of them. We'll check in again a little bit later. But for now, yeah, we're working. We're happy with the new laptop. We're happy with it. I'm not a tech person, so for me it's actually pretty good though.